Hello everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike in the first unboxing of 2025, people. Yes, it is the first unboxing of 2025. I'm actually filming this on Boxing Day at approximately 10:15 p.m. at night. My mum has gone to see her mum, and this gave me a perfect opportunity to film this because I was going to film it when I got back to mine. I've been away, obviously over the festive season, and yeah, I thought while I've got like an hour or so to myself, I'll get this filmed and get it all done early, as you can see in this Christmas tablecloth thing. I am filming at my relative's house. So we've got two paintings here. I'm going to save the best till last. Famous song. And the first one, again, a recommendation. These are from Temu. And talking of orders, I've actually ordered something I've never done in diamond paint before. They're due here tomorrow by Amazon, so I'll try and get that up as soon as I can. They are Christmas related, but obviously, you know, I want to get them shown so that you guys can hopefully buy them and get enjoyment out of them as well. So let's go in here. You may have got a sneaky peek there. And as you can see, oh, what is that? Oh no. What is that? I've got a smudge on it. What the hell, people? What's going on with that? Oh no. Anyway, but look at this. This is a partial. Apologies about the light reflection here. And also, I just want to say, if you hear any bird noises, I do have a bird sitting next to me in the cage, and he is called Kiwi, which is a little budgie that we've got. Because Harry's moved back in, so we can't have the budgie next to the cockatiel because they'll fight, so they can't even be in the same cage. So, yeah. But why am I taking the bloody cellophane? I need to see my doctor about this wheezing. Every time I laugh, like, I get wheezing with it. I don't understand. Yes, you agree too, didn't you, Kiwi? I don't know if you heard that. But in here, it's a 30 times 30. It is a partial. And what this is, I think I'll take the cellophane off because of the reflection, but you can see it's a little lady sitting on what looks to be some sort of moon, and she's got the wings. So I thought that would look really nice, very vintage vibe. And obviously it's giving me like an angel effect with obviously the wings here. And I thought, oh yeah, I've got to have that. And I reckon it'll be special drills, because if we take a look at these for the minute, you can see we've got these big gold ones as well. So I think was it that owl that we did at Christmas? Just before Christmas, I think, had them. But anyway, so it is a partial, because obviously we've got the black background as well. I have seen some lovely washi tape on that Temu. So yeah, that's our 30 times 30. It's only got 7 colours there, so it shouldn't take us too long to do. But can you imagine like getting that all done in one session? I mean, it's possible. It definitely is possible. But obviously it depends on how quick you move through the painting. But it looks like she's gathering her thoughts about something. She looks quite upset with something, so, or perhaps she's feeling down, but the way she's sort of like looking down towards the floor, it gives me the impression that she's feeling quite upset about something. So yeah, that's the diamond painting. Molly's on her way. I can hear her click clapping on the floor. So if you can hear Jingle Bell, she's got a Jingle Bell collar as well. So yeah, this is our standard bag. If we just be quiet, you can hear a clip clapping. Where is she? You hear that? But I feel like I'm Tessa now, because Tessa's always apologising about Sammy in the background. So yeah, we got our standard boat, and these people are the lovely drills. These have got some lovely drills in this. We got this beautiful gold. It's like some sort of gold. Oh, what do you call it? Special, I suppose. Marquee there, an orange. We've got a beautiful silver one and a miniature gold one. And we've got an apricot and another apricot and a silver as well. And yeah, normally if you talk, Kiwi will start talking as well. He will whistle and chirp, and I can't film in the front room because there's another bird in there. So yeah, you'll have the company of Kiwi if I sit and record here. So yeah, next we have, I was telling you about that painting. that was of the Ghostbusters cart. Well, I had to have it, and unfortunately, it did come Christmas Eve. So, lovely present from Temu there. I did pay for this, but just the way it came Christmas Eve, it was quite funny. And unfortunately, I didn't have enough time to sort of get it done for Christmas, because I am secretly working on a painting that is an off-camera project, which I'm hoping to complete near enough the end of December. If not, it will roll over to next December. But if I can complete it by the end of December, I can get it in the January completions. And oh, yes. So in here we have, I'm really hoping this is going to turn out lovely. It is that Ghostbusters one I was telling you. Oh, it's the Marshmallow Man. Oh, yes. And this one don't have a stain, so that's good. Don't know what that was, but oh, wow. Look at this, people. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is fabulous, because what's nice about this, again, I'll take that off to try and ease that reflection a bit. But what's really nice about this is it's really dark. So obviously, once these lights are going around here, which I assume are like Christmas lights, it's really going to bring that out with obviously the darkness of it around there. We've got Christmas trees in the background and the Marshmallow Man there. And yeah, if you've ever watched the Ghostbusters film, you'll know what I mean. So yeah, this is the Ghostbusters car. The stick looks pretty weak, but is what it is. But yeah, it looks absolutely lovely. I'm really happy with this. As soon as I saw it, because it was a recommendation, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, yep, I'm having that. Thank you. Because I absolutely love the Ghostbusters films. Apart from the third one. Was it the third one? I didn't think that was very good. We've got ourselves 22 colours here. So really, really nice. And as you can see, you've got the headlights of the Ghostbuster car, so that's going to really come up really nice. Just so much colour in this, even on the, you know, like the Christmas tree as well. It's just absolutely beautifully done. And so, yeah, I really like it. And then obviously we've got a bit of the reflection with the lights here. What is going on, Kiwi? You're not happy with something? When they chirp like that, it means that they're annoyed with something. So the amount of times Harry, the cockatiel in the front room, is like really like talking to his toy and like yanking it and stuff, and it's like rattling around in the cage, and you can see him getting angry with the toy, you know. But yeah, this is absolutely fabulous. I'm so happy because it's been there. It's always been there, and I've seen it multiple times, but I've never really gone for it because I think last time I saw this was like June time, and it's giving me the vibe it's a Christmas painting, because obviously with the Christmassy lights here, so, and obviously the snow, so I thought I'll hold off a bit, and then it came up again, and I was like, right, I'm getting it now because I'm just going to ponder on it otherwise. We got ourselves our tray as well. And we've also got these lovely pack of jewels here. As you can see, absolutely gorgeous. So really, really happy with this. And yeah, so we've got ourselves a sort of, I think that's like a orangey creamy colour. It's really nice. We've got a couple of lilacs there and a blue, another sort of grey. We've got a black, and we've also got ourselves a banana yellowy colour. We've got a blue, and we've also got a green, blacks there, and I think that's like a, is that a pinky red? And we've got a sort of minty blue there. Another, I think that's a dark navy actually. And that colour there is superb. What is that? Number 9 is coming up as 820. So that's really nice. We got some, what would you call that? Icy blue, I suppose. I mean, some mild blues there. That feels very thick. Okay, and wow, that's a short colour. What colour's that? Number 5, coming up there at 796. We've got another sort of navy blue there. A green, a red. Could it be 666? Oh my god, please be 666. Number 2. No, it's a 321. Oh, look, we're unlucky. Look, 321, number 2. Oh. I always get really excited when I see a 666 because it's the brightest red that you can get. And we've also got a purple there. So absolutely over the moon with this. We've also got some lots of exciting things coming to the channel. We're going to be moving the unboxings as well. So before we used to have an unboxing where it would be just a Wednesday, they're now reverting back to a Monday and a Friday, just to really sort of jumble it up a bit. I want to do more unboxings, so we're going to have a Monday and a Friday, and then we'll do whip and chats in the middle. We're going to bring back lives as well, because we've really started slacking on the lives, and I really want to get some lives done again. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, if you want to get these for yourself, they're in the description of the video. We've also got this one and this one as well. You will find that there will be a lot of sales as well, I should imagine, with Christmassy ones now, because obviously we're coming to the end of the Christmas season. But yeah, I hope you all had a great Christmas. I'm glad it's over in a way, because I enjoyed it, but as I say, I don't like it when things all die down and all the post stops and the trains stop, and it'll be all back up and running again tomorrow, so on the 27th. So yeah, fabulous. But until then, that's the first boxing of 2025. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, all that lovely YouTubey thing. Also tap the notification bell if you want to be notified as and when a video pops up on the channel. And also subscribe if you haven't done so already. We'd love to have you here on the channel. And yeah, subscribe. It's totally free of charge. And until next time, will be a lot of unboxings coming up, and doing one a week it's just dragging it out. I think there's like 15 still waiting to be aired, so yeah, I'm gonna try and clear that backlog a bit. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.